Side chain halogenation of toluene. When toluene is treated with chlorine in the presence of light. When toluene is treated with chlorine in the presence of light, you will get benzyl chloride, which again further reacts with chlorine because it's a free radical reaction which is a chain reaction. Benzyl chloride will be converted to benzol chloride, okay, which again reacts with chlorine to form benzo trichloride, CCl3. Now when this benzyl chloride is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, means hydrolysis, Cl will be replaced by Cl. So what will I get? Benzyl alcohol. I'll get benzyl alcohol. When this compound is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, both the Cl's will be replaced by OH. Means what happens here? When this is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, what will I get? Both the Cl's will be replaced by OH. But both the OH groups on the same carbon atom unstable. It loses a molecule of water. So what will I get? Benzaldehyde. You will get benzaldehyde here. Now let us see the last one. Benzo trichloride. When it is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, all the three Cl's will be replaced by OH. But three OH groups on the same carbon atom unstable. It loses a molecule of water. So what I will get? Benzoic acid. I will get here benzoic acid. So these are the products obtained after side chain halogenation of toluene followed by hydrolysis.